Yay, so this is it. We've reached the 450,000 mark. That's what we were hoping for. That's what you did, and you've made this happen for us. So the giveaway is now open, so you can enter, see the description. It'll give you all the information you need. Terms and conditions do apply. And so this is a most important time for me. So thank you so much for everything you've given to us. These are the tools. These are the ones we're giving away. I've got a 10-inch Spear & Jackson dovetail saw, or a small saw. It's a wonderful little saw. I've used this type for all the way through my life. And here is another one. This is a 12-inch tenon saw, which we of course use for tenons, but we use it for a lot of cross-cutting, rip cutting and things like that. I've got a sliding bevel in here, which I think is very handy, especially if you're doing miters and things like that. I've got this combination gauge. It's a vintage Marples one, so it's got the 2 pins one side and the 1 pin on the other. Adjustable, which is very nice. And then my very favorite of all the planes, this is the Stanley. This is the one that cuts everything for me. I use it all the time, every day. I've used one of these for 55 years and it's never ever let me down. A combination square. This is a Stanley, but it is square. I've checked it for square and it's as good as it gets. And this one, you may remember, I use these every single day. This is my knife wall knife. I haven't found any knife better than this one. So that, and then I've got these chisels. These are the oldie little type chisels. These are the ones I also use every day. They're exactly the same as mine here. And they're a great chisel. All of these tools will be sharpened and ready to go when you get them, whoever you are. The one that enters, the one that wins, whoever you are. So I'm looking forward to this giveaway. I hope you are. It's been a wonderful time. Thank you, thank you, thank you for everything you've done for us.